Hi guys, this is Marvin from ShopSadaPage.com, and today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Transcend ESD220C portable SSD. Now, I've reviewed a couple of Transcend storage devices before already, from their internal SSD to their external enclosures. I even tore some of these storages before to see what's inside of this. So, I'm excited for this video guys, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's do a quick unboxing right here. So again, this is the ESD220C, and what we have here is the 120GB version. So let's see what comes in the package. Okay, so inside the box, of course, we have the SSD itself. Let's set it aside for the meantime and let's see what comes on this little packaging right here. So we have here the USB Type A to USB Type C, and the length of this is I think around 18 inches. So we also have here inside a quick start guide, a warranty card, and of course some paperwork with some other products from Transcend. So let's see the actual SSD itself. So here is the Transcend ESD220C. As you can see, it's very portable, it's very compact, and it's actually lightweight. So in terms of the design and construction of this SSD, I actually have mixed feelings with this. It's made of plastic, but I think it would have been better if this is made from aluminum so that you can toss this around inside your bag, your pocket, or even inside your wallet, because I think it would fit in a wallet. So that you can go along with your day without having to worry about this. But nonetheless, it's still pretty solid. The build quality is okay. It doesn't have any flex on it. And with regards to the design, it has textured pattern with it. And I think it will also help with the grip. So in front, we have the Transcend logo, and at the back, we have the same texture design and some technical information, like for example, the serial number, the model number, and where this is made from, and in this case, it is made from Taiwan. So on the front side, we have here the USB Type-C port and the one-touch backup button. So the one-touch backup button right here is actually a pretty nifty feature. You can use this alongside with the Transcend Elite software so that you can easily back up your files by just hitting this button anytime. So this SSD uses 3D NAND flash, but I don't have any information about the exact controller that this one uses. But we're going to test this out later with our benchmarks. So this is rated around 410 megabytes per second read and 400 megabytes per second write. But before we proceed with the performance and benchmarks test, let's talk about the software real quick. So as I've mentioned, in order to take advantage of the one-touch backup button right here, you're going to need to download the Transcend Elite software. So inside the software, you can set up tasks like backup and restore. You can also do encryption and decryption of your data. And you can also sync files, and you can also directly upload your files to cloud services like Google Drive and Dropbox. Now, aside from the Transcend Elite software, you can also opt to download other software from Transcend's website like the Recover X, so that you'll be able to recover accidentally deleted files. And you can also opt to download the SSD scope so that you can check the information of your SSD. And I think you can also perform performance benchmarks inside the SSD scope. Now, for our test system, I've tested this with my computer here with the following specifications. Now, let's go ahead with our performance test and benchmarks. So the Transcend ESD220C, as I've mentioned, is rated at 410 megabytes per second read and 400 megabytes per second write. It's not as fast as other internal SSDs out there, but it's still far more superior compared to a mechanical hard drive. Again, it uses 3D NAND flash, so we're going to test this out here. So looking at our Crystal Disk benchmarks, the Transcend ESD220C easily topped that rated speed at 463 megabytes per second read and 417 megabytes per second write. Comparing it to one of my mechanical hard drive here that's inside the USB 3.0 enclosure, the difference is obviously night and day, which is pretty much what we can expect from an SSD. I've also tested it on ASSD benchmark, which is another benchmarking tool that tests an SSD without using the system cache. Again, the Transcend ESD220C topped the rated speed at 436 megabytes per second read and 426 megabytes per second write. Now, while we're at it, I also ran this through Anvil Storage Utilities, which got us a 428 megabytes per second read and 414 megabytes per second write, which is still right around the corner of what we've been getting so far from the Transcend ESD220C. I also tested this in ATTOD's benchmark tool to see the performance of this SSD in different file transfer sizes ranging from a small 512 bytes to 64 megabytes file. I also tested this using PC Mark 8 storage benchmark to test its real-world performance on various applications and games. The score is decent. Again, it's not as fast an internal SSD, but it's still pretty fast nonetheless. And lastly, to test the real-world performance of this portable SSD, I used the tool called DiskBench, which simulates a real-world file transfer and accurately record the number of files copied, the total size, the time to finish the transfer, and the transfer rate throughout the process. So during the read operation, to which I transferred files from the Transcend ESD220C to my desktop PC, we've got an average transfer rate of 188.738 megabytes per second, which is pretty good considering this is a portable device. On the other hand, while during the write operation, where I transferred files from my desktop PC onto the Transcend ESD220C, we've got an average transfer speed of 75.245 megabytes per second. It's a little bit slower, but that's to be expected when it comes to write speed in comparison with the read speed. Overall, the performance of the Transcend ESD220C is decent. It's not over the top or exceptional compared to other SSDs, but it gets the job done. Alright guys, so to conclude, what I like about this is the form factor. It's slim and portable and you can bring this anywhere with you. But like I said, it would have been better if this is aluminum for more durability. The performance is decent. It's not over the top or exceptional or anything, but it gets the job done. I think the rated speed of around 400 megabytes per second read is decent and acceptable, especially if you compare it with mechanical hard drive external enclosures. Another thing that I don't like about this, or at least with the packaging, is that this device or this SSD actually supports on-the-go or OTG functionality, but unfortunately the cable that comes with it is USB Type-A to USB Type-C only. So I wish they included like a USB Type-C to USB Type-C or even an adapter for that, so that you'll be able to take advantage of this without buying your own adapter. Other than that, the design and instruction, the performance is okay, and I think this is a great solution if you need a portable SSD, a fast portable external storage for your needs. That's about it guys. Thank you to Transcend for sending this in and making this review possible. You can get this device from their partner stores on Lazada, link on the description below. So subscribe if you like this guys. Make sure to check the full article, link on the description below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.